How do I restart Redis that I installed with brew? I use brew to install Redis, a key/value store database server, for my Node.js app. However, it seems to disappear and is very volatile. Because I'm using Redis as my session store, I need to be able to quickly restart it on my Mac when this happens. How do I restart Redis that I installed with brew?
I found all these options listed in brew package, brew info redis, to be very buggy. For example, Redis throws a bunch of errors if it isn't started with root. I ended up just doing the direct call with sudo and removing launchtool files. I was hoping there was a way to easily restart Redis from the command line, but that doesn't seem possible. Therefore, I run with daemon mode set to no and watch it log to start, then I can kill it easily.
Update. Brew services expired due to no one want to maintain it. Check below, this URL. Check launchtool function instead. Or lunchy. So instead of. You can do this. And references, this URL. It used to be able to use as below. Should be the restart command you want. You can also run which will give you list of your brew services.
As of the 7th of December 2015 you can use brew services. You need to brew tap homebrew/services, and then thw following will work as expected. Install brew, install redis. Start brew services, start redis. Stop brew services, stop redis. Restart brew services, restart redis. More info here, this URL.
Brew doesn't support the services command anymore. The recommended way is to use osx's launchtool command. First you need to set up Redis as a service managed by launchtool. Then you can use launchtool load, launchtool unload, to start/stop the service.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.